top it off, my favorite country music station's gone and flipped their lid. They're playing jingle bells instead of friends in low places. That's totally insane. Cause it's November, not even December, we're still 30 days away. And this heat wave's got me so dang parched. Feels like Christmas in July. I sure could use a nice cold brew, but I don't got the time. Cause I'm stuck here sitting in this traffic jam, cause everybody's heading to the mall. And I'm pretty close from dying of thirst. I'm gonna have to make the call. Santa Claus, hell yeah, could you bring me a beer? Santa Claus, hell yeah, could you bring me a beer? I've been working all week, man, I'm beefing out all day in this daggone heat. Still got to shop till I drop. Stores are closing soon, no time to stop. Day's almost gone, got a lot to do. The kids need toys, honey needs shoes. So Santa, if you'd be so kind to help me out this year and bring me a beer. Back or return the favor next week when I get paid. You can even stop by for a burger or dog if you get hungry along the way. As you're flying over in the big red sleigh, bringing toys of good girls and boys, I'll leave you a key under the mat, just don't make too much noise.